In the last two example, there is a threshold limit of rupees 20 lakh, or for some special category state the threshold limit is 10 lakh. Now it has been stated that if the turnover of the recipient of the preceding financial year does not exceed 20 lakh, or it does not exceed 10 lakh for some special category state, then recipient are not liable to pay GST under reverse charge mechanism. That means such type of services, that means legal services that is provided by an individual lawyer or by a senior advocate or by a arbitral tribunal to a business entity who does not attain the turnover, does not have the turnover more than rupees 20 lakh in the last financial year, or for some special category state it not exceed 10 lakh in the last financial year, then such recipient are not liable for paying GST under reverse charge mechanism. So that services are then exempt from GST, because here provider of the services are not liable to pay GST. Again, recipient, since their turnover does not exceed 20 lakh in the last financial year, they are also not eligible for paying, they are not liable for paying GST under reverse charge mechanism. So such type of services then are not liable for GST. That means such type of services are to be taken as exempted services. Now the threshold limit of 20 lakh or 10 lakh, that means the turnover of the preceding financial year of the recipient is to be tested here. If the turnover exceeds 20 lakh, then they are liable for paying GST under RCM. If the turnover not exceeding 20 lakh, then they are not liable for paying GST under RCM. Now, why this turnover has been fixed? Why this amount of turnover has been fixed? Here we have to follow section 22 of CGST Act 2017, where regarding registration of the person liable for GST has been stated. Here, as per section 22, it has been stated that the person liable to registration, those who exceeds threshold limit aggregate turnover of 20 lakhs or aggregate turnover of 10 lakhs in some special category state being Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and Nagaland. So these are the threshold limit for getting registration. If the threshold limit does not exceed rupees 20 lakh or rupees 10 lakh for some special category state, then the person or business entity are not liable for register, are not liable for taking registration. And if the recipient are not registered, then it will not eligible for paying GST under RCM. So here the threshold limit of rupees 20 lakh or rupees 10 lakh is related with registration, are related with section 22, and as per section 22, here the person who attain the turnover exceeding rupees 20 lakh in the last financial year, or for some special category state it attained the turnover more than 10 lakh in the last financial year, are liable for taking registration. And if a recipient who does not attain this turnover, this limit of turnover, then such recipient are not liable for registration. And if the recipient are not registered, then it will not liable to pay RCM under, it will not liable for pay GST under RCM. And that's why here for last two example, the threshold limit of 20 lakh or 10 lakh has been stated.